If you're looking to avoid those store-bought bagels loaded with preservatives and sugar, then I've got the recipe for you. These whole wheat Greek yogurt bagels are incredibly healthy and one of my favorite ways to enjoy eating bread. It only requires 4 ingredients that you'll likely already have on hand. Here's how to make them. Start with a large bowl. I already have 1 3/4 cups or 227 grams of whole wheat flour here. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of your ingredients together. Add 1 cup or 227 grams of Greek yogurt. Whole milk Greek yogurt works best here, and while I've made it before with non-fat Greek yogurt, it'll be a little bit stickier to work with. Mix everything together with a spoon for a few seconds. Then we'll work the dough with our hands. Spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray to help prevent the dough from sticking to your hands. Then gently mix everything together with your hands. You can do this either in a large bowl like I'm doing here, or if it's easier for you, you can do it on the counter. Be sure to add a little bit of flour on your counter. It's going to take at least 5 minutes of kneading before it gets fully combined. Continue to press into the dough until the crumbs are fully absorbed in. You should be able to get everything combined into the dough with this recipe, but if you're still having trouble, you can add a bit of extra Greek yogurt. Once you're done kneading, shape it into a ball. Place some parchment paper on your counter and give it a light spray of oil. Place your dough on the parchment paper. Using a knife, cut your dough in half twice so you end up with 4 equal parts. Roll each one of these pieces into balls. Use your thumb to create a hole in the middle of the dough. Then carefully use your hands to shape it in the shape of a bagel. This is optional, but if you want a seeded topping on top of your bagel, you can use a pastry brush, dip it in egg wash, and brush the top of your bagels. Then sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on top of it. Preheat your air fryer on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Spray your air fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray and then place your bagels in your air fryer basket. Place them in the air fryer and then cook them on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they should be finished cooking and you can remove them from the air fryer basket. And you're good to go with your whole wheat Greek yogurt bagels. Higher in protein and fiber without the junk ingredients. If you want to make more bagels, you can double the ingredients in the recipe so you'll end up with 8 bagels. These bagels pair well with a spread such as peanut butter, cream cheese, or avocado. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.